Hey guys, it's Aarati and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And in this video, we are going to see how to use the template feature on your reels and how to make reels out of it. So, let's begin. So what is exactly a template? To begin with, a template is basically an outline or the skeleton of a video. And by using a template, you are just replacing the footage from the template with yours. So how to use templates on Instagram? So when you're just scrolling through the reels, you might find one such video where you can see the use template option just above the username. And when you click on that, you will be able to change the footage. All you need to do is just click on Add Media and then select the videos from your gallery. And you do that for each of the boxes available. Sometimes there can be 7 to 8 boxes, sometimes there can be 2 to 4. It completely depends on what the trending audio is and how the particular user has edited their video. Once you have added the videos, you can just select the parts that you want and then click Next. And that's basically it. Then you just follow your normal process of uploading reels by selecting the music, write the caption, and also selecting the location. Once your reel is published, you can see the use template feature on your reel as well. The benefits of using templates is that you save a lot of time if you're struggling with video editing or in general if you don't like editing. It is a very easy feature to use. You just have to basically select the videos and let Instagram do the magic. You can make your own template on a trending audio and let people use it. Just make sure that you are editing your reel on Instagram itself and not any other software or app. So that's it for this video, guys. This is how you edit a reel using templates, and I really hope that I helped you understand the whole process. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!